The dwarf planet Ceres. Did you know that Ceres was a dwarf planet? Did you know that it was once a planet? Yeah, everybody's sad about Pluto. Who's sad about Ceres? Just me? Am I the only one? So, yeah, it was a planet for a good several decades. So there was a whole generation of people that grew up claiming Ceres was a planet. Anyway, it has some interesting features on it. The Dawn spacecraft was there in orbit, and it saw this thing, a Huna Mons. This is actually what we thought. Well, gee, that looks like maybe an ice volcano or a something sticking up there. Well, it released some of the gravitational measurements that it took while it orbited there. And it turns out there is a big anomaly there. And I noticed that that's measured in milligals. I was like, milligals, did they get all Western on us? They're calling it guys and gals now? No. Gal stands for Galileos, and it's a measurement of acceleration due to gravity. So it's 1 centimeter per second squared. But there's a big anomaly there. There's more gravity happening right there, and it turns out it's because it's moist. It is. The material down below has gotten muddy, and it's sort of a slurry, an icy slurry of mud and whatnot, and that ends up being a little denser, and it's come up to the surface. So you can see here what they think has happened. The evidence is strong for it being a icy mud volcano, so very cool on Ceres that happened.